how to turn off TikTok notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications for the TikTok application on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off notifications for the TikTok app on iPhone, open up settings, then just go to notifications. From notifications, you want to simply look for the TikTok application over here under the T section and then tap on TikTok. And on TikTok, you'll find allow notifications. Make sure to turn this thing off. And once you do that, notifications for TikTok app will get successfully turned off. And after that, also, you have to simply go to the option called series suggestions and then simply look for the TikTok application here. And once you look for TikTok, just make sure to turn off the toggle next to the TikTok app as well. This way you can turn off TikTok notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.